Okay, good day everybody. I would like to present my paper or article. The first one I will introduce this title. The title is Triple Dash Cryptography based on a hash function and DSA for the digital certificate authentication. Okay, this is the first author. It is me, Eko Hari Rahmawanto, and then the second author is Lakso Budi Handoko, and then next is Kaurul Umam, Cahaya Jatmoko, and then Rabia Raat Ali. Okay. This is my email, eko.hari@tsn.dinus.ic.id, and then I study in Dian Nuswantoro University until 2010 in bachelor degree, and then I study master degree in Dian Nuswantoro University and then University Technical Malaysia Melaka on UTM until 2012 in master degree. This is our research interest, data security, image processing, machine learning, and deep learning. And then this is my Scopus ID, and then Sinta ID, Google Scholar ID, etc. Okay, about the introduction. What is a digital certificate? This is our digital file that are conventional, used as a proof the partitions or a sign appreciation owned by someone. Cryptographic authentication method using digital signature that are used in confidential evidence and validation of digital certificate ownership. In introduction, cryptography benefits is confidential, authentication, data integrity, non-repudiation, something like that. Then this is the issue. It is development. Digital signature are very widely used in authenticating message. Each signature use unique and different code or character combination in a document, so that the document can be legal and valid in law. Then the signature must be also be able to guarantee important aspect contained in the document. These aspects are data integrity, authentication of the information validation, and non-denial of the document. Then the mathematical proof can be done to check the original of the document, so that is free from the threat illegal modification. So authentication proof can be valid and reliable. Digital certificate have some security issue in authentication and verifying their authenticity. This is our urgency. In this study, the purpose method is to perform the authentication process on a digital certificate with the digital signature. It has been affixed to the digital certificate. And then this is applying the SHA-256 hash function to the digital certificate file to get message digits from the file. Then DSA sign-in methods is carried out to get more secure result. Then the encryption is applied using 3-dash cryptographic algorithm, so that the final digital signature has a double security. This is our operation step. The first step has two main steps, namely signing and verifying. And then the second step is signing process begin to applying SHA-266 hash function and the digital certificate apply file to get message digits from the file. And then the third result is signature stored in the database, and then verification process is carried out on the digital certificate file to be authenticated. Then this is a method. What is cryptography? Cryptography is concept of cryptography. Cryptography has several terminology that is always used in its use. The context of cryptography maintenance the security of the message of information that has meaning in it. Then the digital signature is a technological innovation in the field of communication where the digital signature are used as a confidentiality which states the credibility of information sent in the form of the digital file DSA in the asymmetric case cryptography algorithm which used two keys, namely private key and public key. Then we use triple dash data encryption standard, use 3 keys encryption and decryption process. Key variation is triple dash can be classified into 3, namely using same 1 key to 2 different key or 3 different key from each other. Hash function is function in cryptography which has a concept that the input message can be of the arbitrary length but produce fixed length output. This is a 3-dash algorithm, 3-dash scheme. The input plain text and then do the initial permutation, or we can call IP. Then L1 and Li-1 and L0. This is OR 0 cut the data to Li-1, etc. And then we use XOR from this process and then got the inverse permutation, or we can call IP -1, and then got the output ciphertext. The decryption process is the same of the encryption process, but the process is reversed and the result of the key generation using start from K16 to K1. To complete the 3-dash encryption process, the decryption and encryption process are carried out using different keys but still in same process. This is our purpose method. The first one is prepare a digital certificate file and apply SHA, and then prepare the certificate file and then applying the SHA 256 hashing function and then convert into hexadecimal number. Then the second is convert message, that is convert message digest result with public key cryptography, and then third is do the 3-dash operation algorithm using 2 secret keys, and then the fourth or final result is store into the database system along with the name, years, attribute of the digital certificate. The final result will show that the certificate file is valid in the result of the verified value are the same and invalid if the result of the verified value are not same. How to see result? The result page show the result of 2 signing process and then the result obtained using the signing and verifying schemes. First, the signing states the signing process applied to the first 3 algorithm SHA 256 where the image is converted into a message digest form using standard PHP native programming function to produce hash value. Okay, sample visual result. This is a sample A on home page, and then B is example result of DSA code. Visual result from application, initial page and verify image. The result of the initial page is the first increment. They are input in of the sign-in image file, which is the image to be signed. The signature process and verification to process 2 images by pressing the process button that has been provided. The button goes to result of signature processing and verification. This is message digest in original certificate and signature result. This is a message digest, and then this is a signature. This is a message digest convert into hexadecimal, also in signature convert into hexadecimal. This is name file, for example P1, P2, P3, P4 until P5. This state has been processed using DSA signing algorithm using DSA signing parameter. Then the parameter value used are P, this one, Q, H, X, and K. After DSA signing process is complete, it is immediately encrypt using 3-dash algorithm with 2 keys, namely K, A, and KB, this one. In the verify process, the certificate file used is reversed. This one is message digest and authentication. The result of message digest image of test certificate, and then this one is certificate of authentication test. The next step is to verify by comparing the original certificate, DSA signing file with the hash value of the test certificate file using DSA verify algorithm using the same DSA parameter in the signing process. The test result use original certificate with same test certificate will result in valid authentication. Then this is infographic style. This is a graphic digital signature process average speed test. In this case, it can detect the average speed or runtime of the two processes, namely signing and verifying, from SHA 256 DSA and then 3-dash algorithm in every 10 trials. Information of the average speed of each test experiment was obtained 10 times. The fastest in signing process is in third test group, and the fastest verifying process is in 5th test group. This is overall average signing process and verifying process. The conclusion is based on research, the application of SHA 256 DSA and 3-dash algorithm for authentication application on digital certificate that have been complete. Several conclusions can be drawn. Web-based authentication application using 3 algorithm run smoothly and can validate digital certificate authentication well. The digital signature method with the 3 algorithm has average speed test, this one, and the sign-in method, this one, for the verify method. Comparison of the runtime speed of signing method and verify method is 5 to 13. Tolerable certificate change are direct replacement with operation system rename function, because during the validation process it produces the same value. Okay, this is our reference that used in our article. Thank you very much for your attention.